In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can optimize your WordPress website using a particular plugin. Now, in another video guide, we talked about Smoosh plugin, and we saw how we can compress images with this and also other media in order that our pages can be a little bit faster, and basically we are optimizing the overall website. And this is really important. We know that fast websites are more successful than other that can be too slow. Now, the other plugin I want to talk about in this video guide is Hummingbird, and it's from the same software house that developed the Smoosh plugin. Now, this software house is called WPMU Dev, and it's if you see here, this is the main website, and you can see it has different plugins here for different tasks. So you might want to give a look to the official website here. Now, talking about the Hummingbird, this is used to compress and also to create cache. And so I will show you everything in just a minute. First of all, I want to show you where to get this plugin from. Now, you need to go to the plugins. Well, of course, you probably know, but maybe there is some of you that don't know. So I will go here now, plugin, add the new, and just search for WPMU Dev, and that's gonna show us all the plugins that are included in that package. There you go. So you find Smoosh here, Hummingbird, and others for security and smart crawl, and probably we are going to do other guides about these plugins right here. Okay, so you just have to install it from here and activate it. And once you do that, you are going to find Hummingbird right at the bottom of this menu right there. So you click there, and it's gonna bring you into the Hummingbird dashboard, and this is where you can check everything. Now, the first thing it's really important to do is to run a test. This is gonna show you here some performance score of your website, so you can understand if you are going into the right direction or not, or if you can improve, or if you are already fine. So you just run this test. It's gonna take just a few seconds, as you can see, and it's gonna give you some results. Okay, so this is what was showing me before, and also it's gonna give you the results here in terms of suggestions and things that you should probably do. Now you can see here, you can check opportunities, diagnostics, and past audits. Now if you scroll down, you can see all the suggestions. So for example, I have this one here, but this one here in particular cannot be done with the system that I have right now. I should check this WPMU Dev hosting, and they are promising to make my website faster, but of course this is also a little bit of advertisement. And if we go down a little bit here, we have also other things that we can do, like eliminate render blockings, resources, remove unused CSS. It's going to give you a lot of results. You can go with this one by one, with take your time and check everything, but this is just, let's say, the results here. Now, many times it's gonna direct you to these 3 pages, which is configure asset optimization, configure gzip compression, configure browser compression. And so this is kind of the solution that this plugin is giving you. Now, this is for, of course, who is not an expert in WordPress and doesn't want to do everything manually, just wants some tool to get rid of the worst things, and this is automatic, so it's pretty easy to use, fast and easy to use. So let's see what these pages are about. Now, this one is asset optimization. Again, it's gonna show you an advertisement here if you want to get your hosting with this company here. And if we go down here, you can make some configurations here, and you can then publish changes when you're finished. You can also reset settings. You can switch with these two types of optimization here. Now I suggest you try both and perhaps run another test and see if something changes in terms of speed. So here I have published these settings here, and maybe I want to run another test, and I can do that with the main page. So I have to click here and back again. Oh, there we go. It is right here. So I click on new test and just wait. Okay, now let's get to the next one, which is caching, and it's gonna give you all the explanation here. Just go to the top of the page. You're gonna find a brief explanation of everything, and you just need to activate. So activate, and that's gonna do everything automatically for you. And then you should see this green check appear everywhere. This means that you have done what you had to do. Now you can see here. You can do a lot of settings. There you go. You can, well, just I think that you should test everything. So take your time, make your tests, see if you are increasing or decreasing your performances. Okay, now let's move on to the third and final one. This is called gzip compression, and sometimes this is already done by your hosting service already. So it's telling me that everything is already fine in my website, so I don't need to do anything here because my hosting has done that automatically for me. But otherwise, you can do this as well. You can activate with the Hummingbird plugin. And so this is it. This was just a quick tour, of course. And if you want to have more information, go and check the official website. And this is it for this video. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this topic, you can search for other similar videos here in the search bar. And support us with the community page and store. And also, if you want to check some professional courses, you go here in the playlist, top of the page, you find some English video courses. And if you go all the way at the bottom, you will find English video guides that can also be helpful. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.